Hey, hello guys. So on my back, you can see this is a rotary drum spinner with the transmission part already installed. So last time we went to fertilizer plant for the on-site performance of a rotary drum spinner, and then in here you can see this is a factory installation video of our rotary drum spinner. So you can see that's the bearing housing, and then connected to a big gear. The big gear then is connected to the pinion. And then these two, the meshing is very important for the stable operations of the rotor ground spinner. And then if we take a look here, that's the motor. The motor is connected to the gearbox. Yep, the gearbox, and then the gearbox is connected. So the gearbox is connected to the coupling. And after the coupling connects to the pinion, and pinion drives the big gear to rotate, therefore making the whole rotary drum spinner to spin. So if we take a look here, these are our screen nets for the rotary drum spinner. So we have the mesh size 1.1 millimeters, also mesh size 4.4 millimeters, depending on the person's flow design. And then if I take a look here, um, up there you can see we have a self-cleaning brush for the rotary drum spinner. So when this rotary drum spinner is spinning, you can see we have a bearing housing installed over there. Uh, it might not be that obvious, but you can see there is a bearing housing over there that is connected to the brush. So once this thing is spinning, so the brush is also connected to the bearing housing and also will be spinning, thereby cleaning the screen mesh. So this is what we call a automatic cleaning system for the rotary drum spinner. Thank you guys.